Marriage is a sacred covenant, rooted in love, strengthened by faith, and sustained by commitment. Today, Jordan and McKenna are choosing each other fully and forever.
McKenna Maureen Wilson, you have such a kind soul, and I promise to protect and cherish that forever. I vow to enter this bond of marriage together. I will walk beside you through life and tackle everything life throws at us together as one. I promise you will never feel alone. I vow to honor you and respect you, support you and encourage you. I will always be your #1 fan. I promise to always pursue you and love you unconditionally for the rest of my life. Also plan as many date nights within the comfort of our home as I do our adventures. Lastly, I vow to lead you and our family in building a relationship with and serving the Lord together. We love because He first loved us. McKenna, I love you more than I've loved anyone before, and I'm so excited to see my love for you continue to grow. I cannot imagine living this life without you. I love you.
Jordan, I choose you as my husband. I choose you for your kindness, for your passion to serve. I choose you for your ability to get along with anyone. I choose you because you inspire me to be the best version of me. I choose you not just for this moment, but all for the ones that come next. I vow to stand by you in every storm, to celebrate you in every joy, and to love you fiercely, even on the days when life feels less than perfect. I vow to be in your corner and to face challenges united as a team. I will hold your hand when you're young, and even when it has wrinkles and stories to tell. I see these vows I make today not just as promises, but as a privilege. I'm privileged to love and support the man that you are today, the husband you'll be tomorrow, and the person that you hope to become. I love you.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jordan, you may kiss the bride.
McKenna and Jordan, congratulations on this special day. And we feel and see the love you have for each other and God's love in the special vows that you shared during the ceremony and all the special touches that you included in this day.
McKenna, you chose a man who is talented, focused, athletic, decent looking. Jordan, you chose a brilliant woman, courageous, strong, and beautiful inside and out. We love you both to the moon and back and many times over.
2 athletes, 2 hearts, one incredible team. May your marriage be filled with kindness, laughter, grit, and God's blessing in all things. Cheers.
McKenna McKenna, thank you for loving Jordan and for welcoming our family into yours. We can see the love between you two in every shared glance, every inside joke, and the way you lift each other up through life's ups and downs. May your love grow deeper every day, and may your home, wherever in the world it may be, always be filled with joy, understanding, and support for one another.